Hi everyone! Are you ready to create high-quality talking video avatars like this? Then you absolutely came to the right place. Today we are looking at the magic of Humva for creating talking avatars.
AI is here. Let's use these revolutionary tools to learn new skills, enhance our content, work efficiently, and make more money. We'll explore useful tools for content creation and effective ways for completing professional tasks. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Creative Tool Lab and start creating magic today.